Hi there, when it is currently the 8th of February 2016. Not really my typical weekly winter weather update. Kind of just want to talk about this storm coming in from the west. And tomorrow I have the normal winter weather update because this storm definitely is going to be a pretty potent one. I want to give people kind of a heads up here, not only for the mountains of Japan here that really everybody's going to be seeing some pretty heavy snow, especially heading through Thursday into Friday, but also even for the Tokyo area. In fact, we could take a look at the GFS total snowfall accumulation outlook. This is bad boy right here. Now this is showing you about 30 hours out, so really heading through basically Thursday afternoon. But then as we head through Thursday evening, this even piles up even more snowfall through the weekend for the Tokyo area. So I think right now Tokyo actually looking at a pretty decent chance of not only flurries but maybe some localization. So well, right now let's take a look at the overall setup here, and then this is the big thing. We had this low back here towards the east that moved through, brought heavy snow early this week across northern areas of Japan. Those classic northerly winds, the classic winter weather setup. Now, a little bit of a high also came through, and that also helped bringing some of that cold air. But this low in eastern China setting up very fast, not really giving much of that cold air time to acclimate a little bit warmer because of the sunny skies that come in with that high. So this is coming right in on its heels. So once we watch this track a little bit further towards the east, we can see that moisture come in from the south here. Big thing is you want to look for here is that 540 line. Anything north of that 540 line typically gets snow. So Tokyo definitely in the snow path as far as the temperatures. The big question is, will there be enough moisture? GFS says mama, a little bit of moisture, but the JMA model is the one you want to trust, especially short range, because it's a high resolution local over Tokyo model from the Japan Meteorological Agency, and you can really see here by Thursday morning you start to get that heavy snowfall really falling at times in the Tokyo area, especially western Tokyo, and it just continues to linger heading through the afternoon to evening hours. So this is definitely something we want to continue to keep a very close eye on. If the temperatures are cold enough and the moisture is there, it could produce some issues. At least for now, the Japan Meteorological Agency has not issued any warnings on it. And like I said, it really depends still on a few factors. The JMA model is calling for it, but the GFS and even ECMWF, not so much. They're just saying some passing flurries. Even a little bit of accumulation, though, does start to cause problems in Tokyo. Just normal snowfall, it's cold, bundle up. But if we do get any accumulation, that's going to be a big difference. But the big story will be, though, on Thursday night into Friday and Saturday across the mountains of Japan, extending all the way down to Kyushu. Look at that. This is snow being picked up here by this model. And there is a lot of areas. And I think this is going to be a big problem for travelers up and down this area. And even into Friday, we might see some of that snow actually work its way back over towards the Tokyo area. Could see some more flurries out there as well. But it hits Hokuriku and even back there towards the western areas of Honshu. Lots of snow in the forecast. And by lots, I mean up and over 50 to 60 centimeters probably. So skiers, hooray! Everyone else, all right. But that's all. That's just a quick update. I'm going to be on TV in the evening hours today and all week at NHK World. I'm going to have a lot more on this, so we'll talk more about it later. All right, guys.